Hello everybody and welcome to another Heineken Silver assembly video. Today we have the Packshot Hero box which we'll be assembling. Alright, let's dive straight into it. So, assembly kit consists of these parts. The actual Hero box itself, and then you have the Packshot can which comes separate. You'll have to attach it later on. Also you have the small plastic bag filled with cable ties and a wall plug. You'll notice that the box comes out flat. Over here we have the top side which will have a double-sided tape. We're just gonna peel it off. Make sure to bend the flap and then stick it to the inside of the box. Flip it over and then you do the same thing. Peel off the tape, bend the flap into the box and stick it on the inside. There you go. Then you take the Packshot can. As you can see, it has a butterfly flap in it, so you're gonna bend that and then insert it into those two little slits, as you can see. Nice, simple and easy. Just make sure to put it down a little bit once you insert it so that it actually hooks onto the slits. Next, now you have your zip ties. Flip over the box and you insert the zip ties from top to bottom. You'll notice that there are 4 holes. You just put them inside, bend them a little so it's easier to put on the cage and tie onto. Take the box, put it against the cage, maybe have someone help you, and you just straighten out the box. Get someone to help you with the straightening part. And moving on to the flip number and customize it to whatever price you have. And there's also this wall mounting option where you can open the flap and place it on the shelf and add some weight onto it, either a pack of beers or a crate. And also there is, if you notice, there's a little hole on the box at the back, and you can simply insert it into a wall plug, any wall plug that is available, which would be perfect.